Scotiabank allows you to request a credit limit, increase easily through online banking or the mobile app. Here's how. Using the Scotiabank mobile app, open the Scotiabank mobile banking app and log in. From the home screen, select your credit card account. Tap Manage. Tap Increase Credit Limit. Follow the on-screen instructions. You'll need to confirm your current income and consent to a credit check. Using online banking, website, log in to Scotiabank Online Banking. Go to your accounts page, select your credit card account, click Additional Services, select Increase your credit card or line of credit limit, complete the application form and submit. Important notes: Scotiabank will usually perform a credit check, soft or hard, when you request an increase. Approval depends on your credit score, payment history, income, and current credit utilization. The new limit, if approved, typically appears within 1-2 business days. You can also request an increase by calling customer service or visiting a branch.